Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your new favorite breakfast Danish. Today I'm going to show you a rice paper breakfast Danish. It's super quick, it's super easy, nice and crispy, and let's jump right in. Of course, you guys know all the measurements and ingredients will be down in the description below. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prep our rice paper. Now, the rice paper that I am using is this one. It's just the brand that I like. Use whatever kind of rice paper is available to you, but make sure that it's the like the white rice paper, not any other kind. It's just best for this particular Danish. So I'm going to take some eggs and I'm going to crack them into a plate. So I'm going to do 1 to 2 large eggs, and now let's break the yolk and whisk. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. So I'm going to take my rice paper and I'm going to dip it in my egg wash. Just make sure it is fully coated. It's okay if it breaks just a little bit, just be careful. All right, so that is fully coated on both sides, and I'm just going to drop it on a plate. I'm gonna take these broken pieces and just throw them right in the middle of my rice paper. And I'm gonna do the same thing for this. This is also a great way to use rice paper if it's like cracked or just broken, just so you don't end up wasting anything. Another great thing about this recipe is it's gluten-free. So if you're someone who can't have gluten, this is a great way for you to enjoy a crispy Danish in the morning without any gluten in it. To my rice paper, I'm now going to season it. So I'm gonna add some freshly cracked black pepper. Do whatever kind of seasonings you like. You could do some garlic powder. You could do some everything but the bagel seasoning. I'm just gonna do some salt and black pepper to keep it really simple. And while I am prepping this, I'm also preheating the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In the middle, I'm going to add 2 slices of ham. And you can just use any kind of deli ham. I like to use the one that's low sugar, which is like Black Forest ham. I don't like the honey baked ham, but honestly, whichever one you like, that's the one that you can use. On top of the ham, I'm also going to add a couple of slices of brie. I'm just gonna take my brie and cut a couple of slices, kind of place it right on top of the ham. We're now going to fold this in, so I'm going to take one side, lift it up from the plate gently. And I'm going to fold it in like this, partially covering my ham and my cheese. And fold that last piece in. So I'm making sure that I have a little bit of room in the center. I'm going to now place my little Danish on some parchment paper that I just put on a baking tray. I have this like open bottom tray. Just going to carefully pick it up with a spatula. Right, we're gonna place it right in the center. And I'm gonna get one more egg and we're gonna crack it into the center of our Danish. And to make this easier for yourself, you can get a small dish. Just crack it in there to make sure you don't get any shells. And then we're just going to drop it slowly into the center. I kind of go slow so the egg whites can spread out in the Danish. To the top, I'm gonna add a little bit of extra salt and do a little bit of black pepper, a sprinkle of paprika, And then just for some design, I'm gonna do a little bit of sesame seeds. And I do the sesame seeds along the side of the Danish, like on the rice paper itself. If you wanna put it on the egg, you can as well, but it's more for the rice paper. Our Danish is ready to go into the oven. We're gonna bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes. And that is it, guys. A delicious, crispy breakfast Danish in 20 minutes or less. I'll be honest, it took a little bit longer to cook this time. Took maybe about like 15, 16 minutes. On average, it'll take about 10 to be fully cooked. But listen to this crisp that you get. Oh my God, I don't know if you guys can hear that. It is so crispy. Let's dig right in. Let's do a nice cross section right here. And just cut this right in half. And take a look at this. Delicious, cheesy, steamy. You get that nice ham, the perfect egg, crispy on the outside, cheesy, crispy, perfect breakfast Danish with everything that you want in it. Can't wait for you guys to try this one. Cheers. That is absolutely delicious. It's got everything that you want in a perfect breakfast Danish. I know you guys are gonna like this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.